Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Saturday, February 24th, 2024. Exciting day today. I received the next piece of the puzzle for the OX35 build. This is the goggles that I intend to use with the OX35. This is my first foray into digital FPV, and I decided to go with the DJI goggles Integra, and I'll be using them with DJI O3 air unit. Now I was going to buy the goggles last, that was the plan, and I was going to get the O3 air unit next, but there was a sale on these going on Amazon, and so I got them for about $350. No shipping, but I did have to pay about $20 in tax. Yeah, so these are what I'm going to use for the O3 air unit. I chose the Integras over the goggles 2 just because they're about $150 less, and I think they'll do everything that I need them to do, and they're pretty convenient. The battery pack's built in, so you don't have to have an extra cord dangling off your face, and here in the U.S. We're required to have a remote ID in the goggles as well to show your pilot location. And with the goggles too, you need to hook them to your phone via USB connection. And these goggles Integra have a GPS chip built in, so they can comply with the remote ID nonsense, and you don't have to tie up your phone while doing it. So that's actually the battery pack, and inside is two what looks to be 18650 cells, maybe 21700, but I think 18650s, lithium-ion rechargeables. And you can recharge them via USB-C. And I've learned that you can actually charge them and use them at the same time, so if the battery did go bad, you could always charge them off a power bank USB. They send 11 sets of corrective lenses with them, and that was great for me because I do wear glasses, so I just approximated my prescription and used the appropriate lenses. They were real easy to fit. Also in this little bag, if I could get it open, is the cable. They have a little adapter cable, USB to USB-C, and that's for charging and for firmware updates and that kind of thing. There's also a little Velcro top strap so that you could use a strap on top of your head too to support the goggles. But I found that, for me anyway, they fit really well and work really well with just the headband. The headband has a ratchet adjustment, sort of like a hard hat, and it actually works really well. The goggles fit my face just fine. What else? It came with extra little eye cups that you can put the lenses in. Oh, that might be the cable there, the adapter cable, or the USB to USB-C cable. Came with a little lens cleaning cloth, a little microfiber thing. And that's really it. I'm impressed with how small and light and compact they are. They fit right in my carry case with my transmitter and my drone. There's a couple of pamphlets, a quick start guide, and a safety bulletin in a bunch of different languages. I can't do much with these goggles without the air unit, but I was able to power them up and hook them to the DJI Fly app, and so that they'll be all ready to bind to the O3 air unit when I get it. I'm still probably at least a month, maybe 2 months out from getting the air unit. But it was too good a deal to pass up on the goggles. I think the prices are coming way down on the goggles Integra and also the goggles too, well actually all of them, because I think that DJI is getting ready to launch I guess it'd be their 4th version or better. I don't know what they'll call them. They name their goggles in a stupid way, in my opinion. They have like goggles version 1, V2, goggles 2, goggles Integra. I don't know what will be next, but I think these are going to fit the bill just fine for me. People are concerned because the antennas aren't removable. But from what I've seen, they get great range already. And I actually have seen videos where guys have removed them and put in aftermarket antennas. It's just not easy. And I think that guys would be able to modify that battery pack too if that's a concern of yours. It's not of mine. If that battery goes dead, then I'll worry about modifying it. But it's, for me anyway, they're light and compact and comfortable. I'm not seeing much light leak, but I think that's just determining on the shape of your head and face. They don't bother my nose too bad, but some people talk about these goggles pushing down on their bridge of their nose. There it is. It's got a quick release strap, and you've got to be careful with the right hand side of that strap because the power cable runs through there. So that's just something to look out for, but it's no big deal. I found if you just detach the strap in the middle there at that quick release and then fold it gently around the power pack and against the goggles themselves, it makes for a real compact unit, easy to transport. So that's it. I just thought you'd like to see the next step in the OX35 journey. I'll catch you on the next one. Ox out.